What's up, y'all? Dano here. We're back at the shed again. The shed sizzling steak showdown. But we're actually going to cook some turkey. I got my man Brandon from DB's Barbecue in Southeast Missouri. And we also got the turkey sponsored by Turkey Smoke, the National Turkey Federation. But my man Brandon here is going to show you how to put some Danos on it and make some game-changing barbecue turkey competition winning dang good turkey.
Let's get that trigger finger ready.
That's right, get the popping, baby. Show them how it's done.
All right, so we're gonna just start off with a nice coat of olive oil. Get a good base on that. We're gonna use Dano's spicy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, with that trigger finger, a little pop pop. All you gotta do is give it a little squeeze, and actually, instead of shaking it, because it won't come out as fast, so when you squeeze it, that's why the trigger finger exists, because when you squeeze it, the seasoning, the air actually pushes it out. And that's gonna be some dang good skin. It's gonna be some dang good turkey.
We're gonna cook this turkey nice, hot, and fast, get a real crisp skin on it.
Nice. Well, I'll let you do it.
Get this grill grates nice and hot, put some oil on it.
So those are the grates, and they're actually flipped over to the searing side.
Pro tip, if you want to cook some good burgers, do that on there too. We're gonna put the skin down first, get a nice hot sear on it.
I can already smell it. Already smell it. How's it going, man? Yeah. Yeah, I could use some. A little bit more. Hit it with that pop pie. That yum yum, you do something. You're never gonna overdo it with Danos. That's the beautiful thing about being low sodium, all natural, no sugar, no chemicals, real flavor, so it's gonna create a perfect turkey crust.
Woo, get that flip.
Oil to like really like
magic too.
really?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you the food to take home with you.
Okay, sweet.
Look at that.
Don't forget to get a bite. Getting that leftover juice right there. You guys, if you want to see more fantastic videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.